make some fruit punch. We are going to make some orange and pineapple punch.
Oh, some punch for Thanksgiving.
So what I got was some Dole pineapple and orange juice mixture together. It was a lot cheaper to buy this than to buy a pineapple concentrate and an orange concentrate or one or the other. So I went with this. Hopefully it tastes good. So we're going to use 3 of these. We're going to use 1 liter of ginger ale. You could use any sort of lemon lime pop. So I picked this because it was caffeine free, but you could get Sprite, or which is I think also caffeine free. But
yeah, that's caffeine.
And then I got a frozen deal of mixed fruit because it was cheaper to buy this than it was to buy pineapples and strawberries separately. So I think this has got some grapes in it too. We'll make it work. Okay, Gracie, you ready?
Yeah.
First thing we're gonna do is pour in these 3. Go ahead.
All of it?
Yep.
I'll do the other one.
Yep. And here's that one.
Looks pretty good. Right, there you go.
Okay, all of that. The nice thing about using the frozen fruit is it also acts as like a ice cube without watering it down. So frozen fruit is the way to go to be your ice cubes.
You could use this as a wedding punch too if you wanted to, huh?
Yeah, this is just a fruit cocktail sort of punch, so you can use it for anything.
Graduation?
Sure.
Wedding?
Yes.
A birthday party?
Can't get this open. It's a resealable bag, but we're going to use it all anyway, so stick with that. Alright, pour the fruit in. Oh, show Daddy how good it looks. This is Bella Gardens Sunburst Mixed Fruit.
I'll put it in.
Okay, you poured it in.
I'll put it in.
Or you put it in.
It's warming up.
And then we're going to do this whole deal of ginger ale. A whole bottle.
All of this in too.
Yep, all of it.
Will be the yummiest and it's all the fireworks. Flattered.
Yep.
Well, I see you've got it in a pot. You're not going to cook it.
No, I just wasn't sure my containers were small enough and I wanted to mix it as one batch instead of 2 separate batches.
Hey, you can't see.
You're going to put it into some pitchers when you're done.
Yeah. Okay, let's mix that up, even though I suspect it probably mixed itself. There's some fruit on the floor here.
Henry!
Oh, good idea.
Henry, get the fruit!
Here you go, good boy.
Oh, Henry got a treat. What a good boy.
Okay, pour the rest in, honey. Just pour it.
No, yummy.
All right, mix it up for me.
Mix, mix. It's the sound we punch, make it.
And that's it? And then you just put it in the
That's it.
freezer?
No, I'd put it in the fridge. If you put it in the freezer.
I meant the fridge.
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
You could drink it right now?
Yep, it's ready to go. Oh, that's really good. I'm going to double dip here. You want to try it?
Yeah.
No.
Give me old Ryan a try.
I'll try it now.
It's okay.
Could add more juices in it. I like it. I think it's delicious.
It's not very sweet.
No, it's not super sweet.
I would call it more of a refreshing punch.
It's very fruity.
And it has backwash in it too now.
I mix it with root.
Yeah. It's good. It's refreshing. Not very sweet, but you could add sugar if you didn't think it was sweet enough, couldn't you?
Yeah, I mean, you can do whatever you wanted. I like it a little more tart or fruit tasting than just a sugary sweetness.
Gotcha. Okay, that's it then. That's how you make some refreshing fruit punch for your Thanksgiving dinner to go along with that turkey. I like punch. I said it wasn't very good at first. That's not true. It is good. I just was expecting it to be a lot sweeter. All right, well, Ryan's Rad Reality signing off here. Have a good day.